Hello everybody, welcome back to as well. We have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and announce a new job on LinkedIn. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what we will do is we're gonna first of all access our LinkedIn app, which I have already done so over here. Afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on a profile icon on top left corner, again tap on it, and here in this section how we're gonna announce that we have taken another job is simply by listing our job in this new position to the experience section. So we're gonna go ahead, tap on this plus icon, and we're going to tap on this add position. We're going to add our position title, employment type, company name, location. I'm currently working in this role, start date, end date, and we're going to choose our industry and current position, and then description, profile, headlines. We can change that as well, and in this skill as well we can add if you would like to, and in this media as well we can add. So once you have done so, if you tap or change this profile headline as well, so it will simply be listed in our profile. That will be simply an announcement for us regarding our experience, right? And the first other option would be notify network. If you turn this on, whenever you enter your new experience, it will notify all of your connection that you have on LinkedIn that you have joined another job. They will know about it. So make sure to turn this on, then enter all of your information, tap on save. You will be done. You will simply be able to announce your new job. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.